Here's how the competition's going to work. We're going to start out with everybody getting 5 swings at it. Because I don't think 5 swings of everybody is still going to knock this down. And the one that fells the tree wins the competition.
Do you think you should go youngest to oldest?
Well, you just,
or do you think you should oldest to youngest?
I'll just start it. 3.
Here comes Clarence. Here comes Clarence. He's checking it out. He's the official. Official inspector.
5, 4, 3, 5. Stingers. Wow. 1.
oh my God.
3,
5.
5.
Got him back here. You need a safety strap.
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
3, 5.
5.
Remember, go way up
Edith, I told you.
and don't swing apart.
Problem solved.
There you go.
Then they have the option.
3, 2,
Yes, you did.
5. 1. Good, Dawson.
Good job, Dawson.
Tell her to park it.
4.
Whoa.
Yeah, but I'm just...
Golf clubs on. 5.
Good. That was good. That was good.
4.
No, doesn't that help? How many is that?
4.
Swinging
This
is...
2.
That gonna be your,
4.
2.
2. 2.
Yeah.
4.
That's right.
4.
Maybe...
5.
Good.
4. There.
No, I'll help you.
Joe.
Phil didn't take the trash out.
Hey, knock some of that stuff out of there.
Matt, like just get this 5. 3. 2. 5.
No, don't. You mean like the log down and. Oh yeah.
4.
Look how cute you are. I got that on camera.
Consistent.
It's falling.
Great, Grandma.
Now we're going. There it goes. It's going down. It's going down. Grandpa, here it goes.
Grandpa hit it.
Nolan, Grandpa's gonna win.
Okay, Grandpa hit it, Grandpa.
It's gonna kick. It's gonna kick. Move.
Oh, hang on.
It only took 38 minutes.
Now I can chop it like a lumberjack.
About half of that with